Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am with
Amanda.
She's been helping me this last few videos. You can see that we've been wearing the exact same thing because it's been the exact same day. I hadn't mentioned that, and I thought I might mention it, except for she's changed her shirt, so then it looks like she changed. So, but it's been all the same day. But we've been pre-recording baby shower videos, so if you haven't already seen all the previous ones, you might check those out. I'll have those in a playlist. I'll have the links down below. Unless this is the first day you've seen it, you may not see all of them. But this is just another one. This is a Dollar Tree DIY for a baby shower, birthday party, whatever it may be. So you want to wash your hands and have them super clean because you're going to get you a couple bags of these. They're called cups. They're called cups. And they are 12 count, and they're by the, it's from the Dollar Tree, but it says the home store, and they're 9 filled ounces. So I thought these were just super cute because they look like this. Super simple. Bring that camera down so maybe I can show a little better of an image. All right. So just like that. They're just super adorable cups. And like I said, it's going to come with 12. And now let me show you the packaging a little better. Just because it kind of helps. Some people really need. So it says cups. And then it says the home store, 9 ounces, 12. Okay, Dollar Tree. So we're going to bring you back up. So what we're going to do is I got a package of 3 because I know for sure we've got around 25 guests coming. There's probably more. There's more than likely more. But that's what we know of so far that have confirmed that they're coming. So I think we came up with 36, right? So we're going to do 36. What we're going to do is we're going to take our cup. I've already pre-cut out because this baby shower is based on deer and floral. So this is a deer and floral themed baby shower, little girl. So we cut out the deer heads like this on Cricut Design Space. We did a light purple, a dark purple, as she was showing you, and the gold. So why do we do gold? It's silver. No one's gonna notice. I meant to cut these out in silver, not gold, but no one's gonna notice. It's gonna be fine because they're kind of like the brown of the deer. It's totally fine. We just noticed it. I'll tell you later how it happened. I'll leave it down below if anybody noticed. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a cup. But like I said, make sure your hands are clean. Look at her over here judging me. She's like, everybody's gonna notice. It's fine. So we're just proceeding because like I said, it will just pretend it's brown. So you're gonna take your cup and you're going to, will you put me face down, and I'm gonna show them this one really quick up close. I'm gonna try to avoid touching anywhere near the inside just because I don't wanna have my fingers in there. Now, if you're somebody that's going to be like, oh, that's germs, whatever, think about it. If you come to my house and you use one of my cups and I wash the dishes, it's the same thing. So don't judge me. So you can see I'm just slowly pushing this down on the cup. Now you would say this is a lot of work, but if you can't find, because this is super affordable. So a sheet of this vinyl costs, say, 60-something cents because there's regular sheets. Through Caesar or Oracle 651. Say it's like what? I think it's 30-something, 40-something, 60 cents. Can't even remember. So you're just gonna peel it off like this because if you can't always find stuff like this, I want something that I can, customize and have my own design. I can't find something like this in the store. It's super cute. I'm gonna stuff some white paper down in here so you can really see that. Let me show you really quick. All right. So something like that. Like I said, I'm trying to avoid sticking hands in there, so I may have to keep this one out. But anyway, so what you're going to do is put those on there. And so we're going to have this one, the dark purple, which she'll show you in just a second, and then the light one. So we're going to keep going with these. I'm going to do a couple more. Let's see. So here's one of her dark purple. Super cute. Stick another piece of white paper in here. Isn't that cute? So that way you have your own custom cups. You could put anything. So you could put like your kids' name on them for the birthday party or whatever characters you can't find, Minnie and Mickey Mouse, to create your own cups. And then we're going to intertwine them like this, and we'll stack them and kind of rotate them and turn them. Hopefully you guys can see. It's kind of hard because of the glare. And that way we'll have them kind of stacked just like that. I think that'd be cute, isn't it?
That'd be super cute.
Okay, and we'll just keep turning them and stacking them like that up. But that way we have our own. But like I said, try to keep your hands off the inside of the cup around the rim where they're going to stick their mouth, and just try to work around these pieces here. So it'd be cute to put on the baby's name. So say her name's Callie Ray. We could have put Callie Ray on there. The baby shower date information if we wanted to. But anyway, so we're going to keep forward. I'm going to go ahead. She's going to show you a purple one in just a second. I'm going to show you another one. So what we did was we've already pre-cut. I'm going to share this file down below. I measured, I'll tell you that really quick as well. I measured the cup so we kind of knew our area. Just took a cheap ruler there. You're going to cut these down, weed them out. And I just did 12, since it's 12 in a bag, I did 12 of each color. You could do them all one color. So here is her lighter purple, that like lilac. Isn't that cute? So then once again, you would stack it like this, just like that. There you go. So just like that. But once again, keep your hands super clean and do this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one more time how we're going to do that, and then we'll show you the finished product. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, just kind of lining this up. You're just going to line it up like this, and then you'll just slowly push from one side to the next. So you really didn't, I didn't even have to use my tool to kind of push these in. So I was afraid about pushing on them and messing the cup up, but I didn't even have to do that. It's really simple. So here's another one of her purples. So we're just going to go ahead and introduce, I need to do another gold.
Yeah.
And then we'll do these.
I kind of skipped the gold.
That's all right. We'll stack the two purples together.
Look how
cute. Yes. No one's going to notice. They are. Everyone's going to notice, but I'm not doing it.
Oh, they'll notice because I pointed it out.
I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to cut it out again. She's going to point it out to everyone, she says, but I'm going to say that's supposed to be a brown. They may, you know, I ordered brown or I ordered silver and they sent the wrong color. I'll have a whole story. But anyways, it's going to be cute. So that way, like I said, if you can't find something that you really need, 4th of July, you need custom cups, just make sure your hands are super clean and sanitized and you're good to go. So make sure you have a clean work area. I keep forgetting. Maybe we'll stack all the same color first and then we'll do that at the end. So that way we don't have to mess with it. So we'll do that. So that way it would be easier to keep up with. I feel like yeah. That way then we can do it here in just a second. So we're going to keep on working with this and then we'll kind of show you when they're at the end. All right. So to wrap this up, we've got them all done. So we'll show you. Can you hold that up there, Amanda? You may not be able to see this really good. Hopefully you got it. Turn that cup around so you can see. Okay. We went ahead and we got gold, the dark purple, the light purple, and then we can interchange them here in a second. Yeah, that may work a little bit better. And we're going to we may stack these together here in a little bit. We end up stacking separate just to kind of keep track. So if we're going to end up doing that. So there they are. Bring me down just a little bit. Maybe we can. So just like that. So there we go. Maybe you can bring yours in. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty good. Anyway, so just to basically, you don't even have to do all the separate. You could just do, I mean, you don't even have to do that many cups. We're just showing you what we got. So that was that. I wanted to show you really quick. This really messed with our brains. So we had 3 bags, 12 in each bag. We did them. Well, then we had 1 cup here. So obviously it's like we lost a deer head somewhere. So we're over here going through all our little papers and everything like that. So we're going through all of our papers and all of these little things, trying to figure out where the deer head is. We're over here. Then she starts counting the cups. We're counting all the cups. Apparently they included 1 extra cup. So don't go as crazy as we did trying to search for the deer head until you count your cups. So the Dollar Tree, you may end up with an extra lucky cup. We ended up with an extra cup and we searched for nothing. So, but I think they came out super cute. So now what she's going to do is she's going to interchange those and put, you know, dark purple, gold, light purple, and she's going to do that all the way through. Like we said, we're just trying to keep your hands clean. Think about it this way. If you wash dishes and somebody comes to your house, it's the same thing. If people don't like the concept, they don't have to get one of the cups because really we don't have anything that's going to go in them. I just think they're cute. So one more thing I wanted to show you guys really quick. All right, so this water bottle. So on another little like DIY Pinterest idea I had seen was these water bottles. So what you're going to do is take some water. These are just a great value from Walmart. Hold on, let me find my knife because I done lost it. Take a pair of scissors and just trim off this paper here. So just take off your paper, whatever water bottle, like I said, these are just a Walmart, great value. And then you're going to take some tulle. So I've got purple and gray. And what you want to do is cut off probably about 10, 12 inches. You probably don't even really need that, but that's just kind of what I did. Because you're going to trim off excess. So, 1 of each color. So, well, whatever you're doing. So, if you were doing just purple, you'd cut purple, but at least 2 pieces, right? So, that way you have 4 pieces to make the bow. So, 2 pieces. You're going to take your water bottle, wrap it around. You're going to take it. I may have cut these a little bit too short, so I want to do it a little bit longer. The other ones, I did them longer and then cut them. So, you're going to wrap it, and then you're going to just tie it like so. Like this. And then you'll kind of pull and pull. So you'll make a little bow like that. Isn't that cute? Now that one didn't come out as best as this one it did. Let me try to trim this one up just a little bit to kind of make them a little bit more even. So anyway, so I'm going to tie some tulle on the water bottles like this as well. So if you've seen our previous video, you may have seen where we did these, where they look like champagne bottles with the, what is it, apple juice? And we made these ones as well. So we're going to have all these different little things just kind of sitting on the table. But isn't that cute? Just as something simple as that. So taking some water bottles, we're probably going to just do like 10 to 15, 20, something like that. And then have these all sitting on the table like that. But that's going to be super cute as well. So I just wanted to show that idea also. Once again, if you haven't seen all of our videos, please check those out. They'll be linked down below. I should have a whole playlist of all of the videos from the baby shower. If you're watching this when I'm currently uploading within this, week or two, just stay tuned because there's more to come. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. There's our super cute water bottles. We've got our wine bottles if you've seen that video below. We've got cups. We've got diaper cakes. I haven't showed this yet. You'll see in another video where we made the big name Callie, but this is one of the ones I keep forgetting to show. This is a big letter C that I found at Hobby Lobby. Got half off for about 10 bucks or so, $10 or $12, and I just glued some flowers on the side. You could do some paper flowers. I just got some cheap flowers from Walmart and then alternated and glued those down. So that's another piece that we made. But there's just so many pieces. Hopefully you guys can kind of see. You've already seen the video on the diaper cakes. So I think that's pretty much it. So we're going to wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.